Morning, y'all. Don't mind me, I'm in my house. First, I'm in my house, so just checking in to say hi. I'm wearing my head tie still. I am about to go make me some breakfast and start my day. So before I start my day, what I normally, well, not all the time, but sometimes I like to do is have a cup of tea, and I'm gonna be using one of my favorite mugs. My friend gave me this mug, and with this tea I don't normally add sugar or anything. I just add the water because I don't need any sugar with it. This is what it looks like, the granules look like. This snow is pulling. I feel like the only people that get excited for the snow, people that don't understand that this don't stay white and clean forever. And if you're living in a house where you gotta do the shoveling, that ain't no joke. We vlogging. Hi guys, look who I have. Say hi. Hi. So we're at a spot. We're about to go get some craft stuff. Actually, at Five Below. We're gonna get paint. Trying to turn her into an artist like myself. You know what I mean? A little Picasso. Okay. I have this one. So what are these? You see how those are big? Those ones big. You want bigger than? Some of us love to act as though we're Chef Boyardee. Oh, so this is the part of the snow nobody tells you about, the dirty part. How dirty it is once the cars start driving. Ugh. Hey guys, so I am back inside. And I got me some food. As I told you guys, I stopped to get some food. And I got some chicken. This is like some Thai chicken with peanut on it. Some peanut sauce. And I also got some fried rice. Isn't that yummy? And we also got some Jamaican jerk chicken. And some festival. Y'all know, the Jamaican, you know about them festivals. Delicious. Hey y'all, so since the whole pandemic situation, I have been trying my hand at new things to keep my mind stimulated, and I've gotten into, I told myself, let me try something new. So I started taking up painting now. So I got all of these stuff at Five Below, and I think I'm gonna try my hand at some acrylic painting. Now I got these little board situation here. Oh, hold on, let me try to get one out. Alright guys, this is where I'm at so far. This is what it's looking like. I don't know how it's going. And I'm using this just to spread the color of the paint. I'm not using a brush right now. Just using my, it's just some foil paper that I balled up. You know, but this is how it's doing. Alright guys, I am finished with my painting and this is what it actually looks like. I mean, I don't think it's too bad, I must say so myself. I do have a little bleeding on the side, but that's okay. But I do love it. I love how it turned out. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this one. I think I might get better as I go along, but as I said, I love this one. I love how it turned out. Absolutely love it. I just love it. I am so in love with this painting.
What the hell happened here?
I don't mind my Cheez-It box over there. I am so in love with this painting.